Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I am going to share you about the details asset confirmation request. You have to follow these steps when you got your assets. So the first step these you have to go, and this is the mail that asset from the team GPS administration team. This mail is come to you, and you will have to follow these steps. You have to go into the Ultimatics, and inside application you will find finance and infrastructure, and inside finance and infrastructure there is a procurement functions, and inside that global procurement systems. And you will have to go into the workflows, and then asset confirmation. So these are the very important step that you have to perform to get them clarified that you have got your asset. And there your asset id is also mentioned that this is the mail, dear Mr. your name and asset with TCS asset id. Your asset id is being assigned to you, that the asset id, this is your asset id which is assigned to you. After you receive the asset, request you to accept the assist confirmation request. You have to requested by these GPS administrator that you have to confirm and accept the request that will get when you got the asset. So a very important step that you have to perform. So get back and please accept the asset confirmation request if you follow, if you get it. And this is all for today's video, and please follow my channel for more updates, and a lot of videos comes related to TCS and related to jobs, and along with the courses the TCS provided with. So this is all for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care.